today we thought we'd talk to you about our store cattle. We're going to weigh them this morning, and we like to monitor their weights to sort of see how the different feeds that we're giving them sort of alters their growth rates and things. So these are all calves from last year, from our breeding cows, and as you can see, they're Aberdeen Angus cross with Belgian blues and some of our Simmentals. That's why you get the different colours. And the black and white ones. This is our handling system that we put in last year. It really works well, and they use it to walk through without any big problems. It's nice for them to do it without being under any stress. This is the forcing pen. It's a circular pen, and this high and wide gate allows us to safely push them around, and it follows them around nice and safely. The vets come and either do the TB testing or have to treat any of the cows. We walk them through this system and into the crush. Now the crush isn't actually crushing the cows. It's just a crate really that contains the cows nice and safely, so that the vet doesn't get hurt, we don't get hurt, and it's got different inspection areas, so depending on why we have the cow in there, there's different bits that we can alter. This is the yoke, which as the cow walks in, we squeeze them into here, and it just holds their head to prevent them from going anywhere. But we'll demonstrate that when we weigh one in a minute. Let's get weighing. Do one at a time, so we can weigh them on our weigh cell. So they come onto this weigh cell. We're going to read the weight of them on the reader. This is 661. 374 kilos. Come on. 657.
352.
352. The yoke holds them in. It doesn't hurt them, it just prevents them from walking forwards or pulling their head back through. This is one of the twins you might remember from last year that was born. He's a nice one. And here's the other twin. We were lucky enough to get a small business grant to put up this handling system, due to the fact that...
Oh, you missed that one, Ellie. That's all right. Okay.
Due to the fact that we need to TB test the cattle so often, and also the fact that they need to try and reduce the amount of labour costs involved with obviously when vets come out, and they need handling systems to be nice and straightforward and safe is the main thing. So it's made it a lot easier for us to handle the cattle, and when the vet comes out, it's so easy to have them into here and be able to deal with any problems. So once one lot's gone through, we can let them in and fill them up again. And Jim's favourite. Hello, Bubba. They like coming out for a bit of a play afterwards. Steady! We wean these off their mums at 10 months, so they've had a good amount of time with their mums, and they start then eating meal and cake and the lucerne that we've talked to you about, and then they grow on to be nice chunky store cattle. once these are weaned, the mum has a 2-month dry period where it allows her to recover before then having her next calf.